our garage has been slowly filling up with all the bikes. Take a look at all these bikes we have around, and we were getting limited on space, so we decided to take advantage of our ceiling space. See all that space up there?
Yeah.
And so we decided to take advantage of that said space and take our bikes and lift them up into that space out of the way and open up the floor space. So we bought a bunch of pulley systems or bike lift systems, and this is how they work. And it raises the bike up to the roof, and it's a little scary because it looks like the wheel's about to hit your head.
You like it?
Mhm.
You're so brave, huh?
The mommy's bike.
Actually, your bike. He's rethreading the pulley system. Nope, you don't have to turn around this time. There, look, the pulley's right there. Put it through that hole. That's and you look for it on the other side. Pull. Good. Wait. It's gotta go through that one as well. And then put it down. Good. Now you're perfect. Don't pull it through that hole. Don't pull it through the loop. There, this side. No, pull it down. Pull, 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 pull. Keep pulling till that lifts up. Pull, pull, pull. Voila. Okay. Remember how to lock it? Look. Pull the string that way and it locks in place. There you go. Mommy, you think you can do this bike? How heavy was that other bike?
No, we have.
No? This one's gonna be super heavy. Get them muscles ready. Raising up bike number 3.
Woohoo!
No, that's too far. Here. That's good. Sounds heavy.
Okay.
Okay.
I was raising the front of the tire. It seems to only be lifting the front of the bike and not the back, so I have to keep balancing out the pulley system. Here, you want to do it?
No.
Okay. I want you to do like this, one hand after the other. And just keep
What? My
going.
hands are sweaty though.
Okay, you want me to do it?
No. No, that actually could have landed on my toe. My toe was right there.
Yeah, be careful with that.
Ah. Let me do it.
And voila. Oh, this bike is heavy. Look, it keeps sliding. It looks like it's tight. And voila. The bikes are out of the way. But this bike is a little heavy and it keeps slipping. So we have to wrap this cord around this beautiful cord organizer. Voila. So you would think this is scary and they just fall, but it actually has a ratchet system that locks the cord into place, and then you take that excess cord and wrap it around the wall so it doesn't slide and the bikes come crashing down. You lower it, it's just a locking mechanism with a ratchet. If you pull on this extra cable, you'll see up by the pulley a little thing loosens. And that little locking mechanism opens up and allows the cable to just go free, and the bike comes straight down. Voila.
Daddy, I think you did a pretty good job. Well done.
Thank you. We're trimming these long, look how much extra cord they give you. So, we're trimming it so it looks nice on the wall. And then, because it's plastic, you gotta burn the end. And then roll it into end so it doesn't fray. And always make sure you blow it to cool it before touching, because it's hot plastic and it'll burn your fingers. Hold the whole thing with your hand like that so you have good control of it. There you go. You put it in there and watch the other end melts. Then blow. Oop, that's still a little hot.
Ooh, did you get burned?
Yeah, burnt on me. Oh, there it is, stuck on me again.
It's still hot.
Yeah, it's super hot. That's why you gotta let it cool a little longer. Wonderful, lovely Logan fam. Thank you for being part of our experience of hanging these bikes today. If you like this pulley system, or if you think this pulley system will fit your garage, or if you just want to tell us what you think about the hoist system for bikes, leave some comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos. Give us a big thumbs up and like. That way more people who like our content get to see our channel. And we'll see you on the next video. Hoist away!